Hi everyone, welcome to Beautiful Within. So in my Go Green series today, I'm showing products from the Iba Halal Care range. One of the products, my favorite. So Iba Halal Care, as we all know, are halal certified products. They're manufactured in Gujarat, so they're very much indigenous, made in India. And of course, they're cruelty free, they're vegan, there's no alcohol, there's no pork or animal derived ingredients, there are no sulfates and parabens. So basically all good things go inside Iba Halal products. I have some of the products which I use mostly from Iba Halal Care. They have a wide range of products which are available on their website. They're also available on Amazon, Flipkart, and at least in Bangalore, I've seen some of the health and glow stores also have Iba Halal products. So without further ado, let's get started with the first product. The first product that I have is the Aloe Aqua Refreshing Face Spray. Now this spray, I've talked about it a lot of times and वो सब कुछ कम है क्योंकि this is the kind of product that I want myself to be sprayed on myself every morning so that I feel fresh and I feel awake. Now this is moisturizing because of the aloe vera content, and also it has a little bit of cucumber extract which makes me feel fresh and gives a bit of a freshness. The smell, the smell is not very overpowering, but it still has a very soothing. If you know the smell of aloe vera mixed with a flower, mixed with a proper cream base, that is the kind of smell it has. Now it also mentions all the ingredients, mind you, in the back of the product. So of course does not have sulfates and parabens, which is great. And also some of the products of course are chemicals. It's not purely natural, because otherwise तो फिर घर में ही बना लो ना, but not purely natural, some of the preservatives and everything, but no sulfates and parabens. I definitely advise all of you to at least try one bottle of this. Prices will be listed down below, but they are very affordable. Like, this is the most extremely affordable range after Patanjali is Iba Halal. And of course they have makeup also, which I'll be sharing some in the video. So this is one. The second one might create some controversies. It is the Iba Halal Care Fairness Face Cream. After all the rant that I've done on Unfair and Lovely, I'm going to give you a Fairness Face Cream. Just imagine. No, it's nothing like that. So, of course, again, they are like a victim of branding, of course, which is why they had to brand it as Fairness Face Cream. This is a basic SPF 25 day cream with rose extracts and licorice. Now, I would have advised them to, brand it as a brightening cream or as an SPF day cream. There's none of those harmful fairness ingredients which I'm very much against. This is very much, basic licorice and rose extracts with SPF in the product. But I guess we are to be blamed that they had to brand it as fairness face creams for it to have more subscribers or more viewers or more customers. No sulfates and parabens again. Now they say that it has, okay, it has sweet almond oil, it has licorice, it has vitamin E, and it has rose extracts. So these four ingredients, and also with SPF 25. So now these 4 or 5 ingredients actually help in detanning. They help, the SPF helps in like the sun protection as well. And also the third thing that it actually helps is in brightening the face, and with what should I say, ethical ingredients, I can call it that. And also they're very, this cream is very safe for the skin. But again, not promoting fairness. This is the brand's problem. I mean, why do they have to name it as fairness? Iba Halal Care, you can change it to brightening cream as well. But yes, this is the kind of consistency. If you can see, basic cream like consistency. Now it does leave a white cast, a little bit of a white cast on the face, but that goes off in like 10-15 minutes. So if you're going to apply it and then go out in 10-15 minutes, just like a sunscreen, the white cast disappears. Now this for 105 rupees for this bigger tub. Of course I'll be listing down the prices below, but this is 105 bucks, and this is extremely good. Like, I have used it on myself. You can see the brightening benefits in 5 to 6 days. It also helped in reducing a lot of my acne marks. So because of, I guess, licorice and sweet almond oil. Also the vitamin E, it also had vitamin B3 and B5. So they have antioxidant properties also, and they moisturize the skin and better the skin texture, which is what I was talking about. So yes, please do invest in this. Just forget the fairness part and everything. Please do invest in it because it's a very good day care skincare cream. It's a new find for me, but definitely a good one. And now coming to some makeup. So we have the Iba Halal Care lipsticks, 3 of them. If you have been an old subscriber of mine, a loyal subscriber of mine, you have seen all of these 3 lipsticks in my lipstick series reviews. And sure, I will be linking all those 3 videos with a complete review of this lipstick, the color and everything. But let's talk about the packaging a little. A very nice bright pink packaging. Now this also has no alcohol and no pork or animal derived ingredients. Yeah, so this has shea butter, this has a little bit of a moisturizer, this also has vitamin E, and it is also vegan and cruelty free. So I'll show you the kind of lipsticks that it has in internal packaging. This is the kind of basic packaging that it comes in. This is the color neon peach. If you can see, this is a bright orange color. I'll give you a swatch, but I'll not give you anything else for it because I've already reviewed them very well in my lipstick series. So I'll be linking all the 3 videos where I've reviewed them. This is the orange kind of color. Now then we have Plum Pure. So Plum Pure is this kind of a color. They're very moisturizing on the lips, though they don't stay too much, like 1 to 2 hours is what they'll stay. But if you know you want to give your lips a break, then these are the products to go for. And they are decently pigmented, I must tell you that. And this is Magenta Magic. This is Magenta Magic. So there's a pink, there's a little bit of plum, and this proper orange. And I really love their lipsticks. On days when I want to give my lips a break, when I don't care about too much of matte, because they're not matte, they're a little creamy, but I just want to, you know, indulge in some kind of skincare makeup, that is when I use these products. And I don't want to wear a lip balm as well. Lovely products from Iba Halal. They also have a foundation range, a lot of Attar range or Itar range, and a lot of products basically. Yeah, I need to try the foundation also, though it does not have too good reviews, but definitely like a vegan foundation, a cruelty free foundation with no alcohol and no animal derived ingredients, who would not like to try. A long list of creams also, sunscreen as well, and a long list of products. I will be linking down their site below. I'll be linking all these products as well, and a detailed review of these lipsticks. Please do try some products from Iba Halal, and please do support the brand as well. They're doing a great job. Thank you very much for watching Beautiful Within. Have a really nice day. Bye bye.